AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. Wherever you see these days, any tech journal or any popular news magazine calling out AGI, some are stating that we have achieved AGI, some are saying that we need more time to achieve AGI, and some tech companies who are actively working on AI, like OpenAI, are claiming that they have already reached the stage called AGI. But what actually is this AGI, and how impactful this AGI is, and how it is different from AI or human intelligence? I will share all the details, and this video is going to be a very important one because we need to make sure we are following up with the trends which might reshape our career, which might impact our career. So it is our responsibility to understand and clear about these topics. So that is the reason why I'm making this video. And recently, a news article came out that OpenAI has a secret research paper on AGI, and it has many secrets that might, when it's unfolded, can bring a lot of revolutionary changes to the tech landscape, like how organizations like Google, Microsoft are working. So we are not sure whether that is real or not, but that is one scenario. And there were many such scenarios where companies are claiming that they are working on AGI and they have a future proof plan to reach or to uh, maybe implement AGI on their ecosystem, like Google mentioned recently as well. So what actually is AGI? First of all, you know what AI is. I believe like most of us are aware of what artificial intelligence is and what AI can do. So it can mimic the human actions. It can mimic the human thinking. So that is what we call AI is, right? So it might be chat GPT. It can act or it can mimic like a human. It will answer you. It will give you on data. It will help you to maybe brainstorm, like you can do all of things, like it might be image generation, video generation. You ask AI and AI will give you just like how we do. But the advantage of AI is the time saving capability and the productivity, and things that might take years, like AI will do it in seconds or minutes as well, because AI works on computing, unlike humans where we work on maybe decision making, we work on emotional intelligence. There are many other things that human can only do. But yeah, AI is something that is needed, that will save time, that will reduce cost, and there are many benefits associated with AI. But what is this AGI called? If AI can achieve the complete human intelligence capabilities, then we can call it as AGI. To share a few examples, like there were few traits that only humans can do. It might be emotional intelligence that I said earlier, and maybe decision making based on uh, things that humans have experienced. But AI can only uh, take decisions based on the data that it has or the history that it has. Obviously it is quite similar to humans, but still it is far uh, far different from what the human capability can achieve things. So, if an AI can achieve the human intelligence, then we can call it as AGI. But the reason why people were aggressively talking about AGI is because things these days have become, drastically more advanced, I can say. Because of course, like even earlier, there were AI based LLMs, there were AI chatbots, there were AI image generators, there were many applications with AI as well. But still, the applications or the AI based tools that we have witnessed in 2025 were clearly promising that AGI is no longer a distant one. Like we are very close to AGI. For example, Google VO3 recently announced a video generator. The videos that were generated using Google VO3 were so close to the reality, it is very difficult to judge whether a video is real or fake. Not only that, you might have already witnessed many videos on social media where it is very difficult to judge whether a video is real or fake. So it is so close to how a human can act or how a human can behave on a scene. Like it is so close to the reality. So it, like in this field, like it is not really difficult to achieve AJ, or to make it simple, we might see, we might witness AI based movie with real characters in maybe 5 or 6 months. Yes, that is going to be possible. And AI image generation, if you can take it, even earlier, like there is a possibility to create AI based images, but now we can create real characters as well. We can create AI based images that look so close to the reality. And even AI LLMs, ChatGPT, Clad, or Perplexity, take any AI tool, they are very well advanced now. They can handle huge and complex tasks that a human can never do. So this is some kind of miracle which is happening currently. Even AI is taking the challenges that medicine cannot do, or maybe medical science cannot do. Yet, yes, it is happening. There are some threats to doctors as well. Like AI is replacing doctors in some scenarios as well. Of course, like it's a controversial thing, but I'm not going to prolong it. But still, AI can replace doctors in some cases. That is true as well. And apart from this, what makes AI truly fascinating these days is AI agent. AI agents are everywhere. It might be like there were co-pilots, there were many co-pilot based apps, and ChatGPT as a thing called operator. Manas is one thing. Google AI Studio is one thing. They will take the control of your screen, control of your laptop, control of your computer, and perform tasks based on your orders, just like how you do. It might be booking a ticket, it might be ordering something from Amazon. So whatever it is, the task that human can perform on computers, now AI can replicate it as well. These are called AI agents. If you can schedule something, AI will take care of that. So that is the beauty of AI, and this seems really promising that AGI is no longer a for distant subject. AGI is so close to us, so based on all the things that were happening now. And one thing that makes me think we are reaching AGI is the dependency on AI. See, personally, me and many of the people that I know use ChatGPT and other AI tools on a regular basis. Personally, like I feed everything to ChatGPT, whatever I do, whatever, like maybe it might be complex, it might be simple. I feed ChatGPT for many of the tasks, and many are relying on ChatGPT and other AI tools for almost like everything. So this makes AI's life more easier to reach AGI, because they are now, or they in the sense like LLMs like ChatGPT are taking decisions on our behalf based on our experiences. So as I said earlier, the difference between human intelligence and artificial intelligence is simple, that decision making. Humans take decisions based on many different things, our experiences or beliefs, but AI will only rely on data. But now, because of the way humans are interacting with LLMs, AI is also clever enough to take decisions based on our experiences, our judgments, our beliefs, our opinions. Yes, it is happening in reality. So all these things, like the decision making stuff that I have shared, video generation, image generation, AI agents, the more advanced text based LLMs, you take anything, any AI advancement these days, they were all close to human intelligence. To be real, they were more advanced than human intelligence as well. There is other concept as ASI. So that is maybe artificial super intelligence, we can call it as. That is also somewhere close to maybe 2025. Maybe we can see that on 27 or 28 or 30. But AGI, I believe we are almost in a stage where AGI is no longer too far from us. So yeah, that is what AGI in general, and that is the reason why I have shared these things. So we should be ready, and we should be prepared to face the consequences. If AGI is achieved, then we might see a complete shift in the revolution of tech jobs, because almost all of this, or maybe I can say 70% of the jobs that were existed these days might be taken over by AI, and there might be some new jobs as well. You can ask me what are those jobs that AI cannot do. There is literally nothing. Even agriculture, like AI is doing farming these days, AI is doing surgeries these days, AI is constructing houses these days, AI is designing cars, manufacturing cars these days. So you ask me one or two, there might be one or two, but most of the things AI can do. So you need to figure out things that AI cannot do. for a maybe long lasting and sustainable career, which I think is a difficult challenge. But yeah, that's we can all get through that phase, because even the internet is a similar thing. Before the evolution of internet, we might think internet is something which can take all our jobs, but new jobs have been created. The same with AI, which we have witnessed and witnessing now, and the same will happen to AGI as well. So comment your opinion on what you think about AGI and how sooner we can expect AGI. Thank you for watching. If you feel anyone else would benefit from this video, please make sure you share this video. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content on AI and technologies every single week. Thank you.